Hi, I'm Mike Lorea with Ash Automated Packaging.
Hello, I'm Juliana Milano, Marketing Manager for Markem-Imaje.
Hi, I'm Jeff Haney. I'm the Production Manager here at J-B Weld, and welcome to Texas. So J-B Weld is a leading supplier of epoxy adhesives and other adhesives. We were founded in 1969. We have our operation here at Sulphur Springs, Texas. That is our manufacturing and distribution facility. We have had an indirect relationship with Markem-Imaje through the products that they have that are being distributed through Ash Packaging.
When I came in one day and noticed they were using 4x6 labels, I introduced them to this Markem that can do barcodes, QR codes, all the alphanumerics, custom design artwork, and we can do it on the fly, directly printing to the box, and saving them 40%.
The legendary Markem-Imaje 5000 series large characters inkjet coders produce high-quality codes that dry on contact so they never bleed or fade, even on challenging substrates. Our IntelliFlow technology combines our exclusive print heads and touch-dry inks, producing the darkest, consistently scannable direct print codes in the industry. The hot melt inks are solvent-free, safe to handle, and eco-friendly, achieving C-grade GS1 128, marking with trouble-free operation, lower cost, and less mess compared to other solutions in the market. The ink can be refilled while the coder is in use, avoiding downtime. That's printing intelligence beyond the mark.
So our previous solution did not give us the flexibility that the Markem direct print on the case gives us. We have the flexibility to add copy to the side of the package, the flexibility to adjust it, make different messages, whether that's regulatory or the barcodes or making things bigger, smaller. We have a lot more of a canvas on the side of our packaging that we were limited in our previous solution. Our partnership with Markem-Imaje has been very satisfactory for us and our needs here, not only giving us better solutions, but also giving us good support as well as we get into this new technology that we're starting to use. And as we expand in the future, I would assume that this would continue to be our solution for printing on our packages.